Driving the PCH, Pacific Coast Highway, Route 1, California. Something I've been wanting to do for years. Around every corner, every bend, there's a new surprise on the horizon. However, if you're a little skittish when you see signs like this and that, oh my. Rock slides? Oh my gosh, they have a few of those, but they have gadgets to keep the big boulders back like these. Except for a few small ones that get away. Beautiful scenery, including cliffs. But don't get too close. Oops. Maybe you'll see signs like this and that. But what's around the bend? What's around that next corner? Your blood pressure may rise a little bit. I got pretty lucky on this drive. The locals say the coastline is usually foggy and you can't see more than 10 feet in front of you. If you want to plan this trip, do it in the wintertime when there's less traffic. What's around this bend? February 13th, 2009. Decided to get away from the rain that's sliding down the west coast going through Frisco and Carmel tomorrow and Sunday. It's supposed to be horrible for the third and fourth round. Look what I found. Signs give an idea of where I am at the moment. This drive is definitely a do-over. Big Sur is one area that I'd like to spend a few days at. And look what I discovered around this bend.